If your iPhone camera shows a black screen, isn't working, keep crashing, or won't open after the latest iOS 27 update, don't panic. Follow these steps and one of them should get your camera working again. So first let's refresh the camera app. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen and completely close the camera app. Then open it again. So while you are here, switch between your photo, Siri, portrait mode or video. So then this will help you out to back from any software glitches. And this can help lock up the camera if it gets stuck after the update. Next, clean the camera lenses with a soft microfiber cloth. If you're using a camera lens protector or a bulky phone case, remove it temporarily and test the camera again. Some accessories can interfere with autofocus or even prevent the camera from working properly. Now make sure your iPhone has enough free storage. For that, go to Settings, then General, and from iPhone Storage. If your storage is almost full, free up some space by deleting unused third-party apps or other necessary files like third-party camera app or any other high storage apps. Because you have to remember, low storage or certain apps that interact with the camera can sometimes cause the camera app to stop working properly. Also check if your iPhone is overheating. If it feels hot, let it cool down before using the camera again. Because iOS may temporarily disable the camera to protect the hardware when the device gets too warm. Next, you just have to try by force to restart your iPhone. Just quickly press and release the volume up button, then quickly press and release the volume down button, then press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. Now when it's restored, you just have to check your camera again. Hopefully this will work well. Now let's find out whether it's a software or hardware issue. So you just have to open a third-party app like Instagram or Messenger and test the camera here. If the camera doesn't work in those apps either, continue with the next step. Now you just have to go to Settings, then General, and scroll down to Transfer or Reset iPhone. Here tap Reset and choose Reset All Settings. Don't panic because this won't erase your photos, apps or personal data. It only resets customized settings like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, privacy settings and other system preference. So if you're running with the latest iOS 27, you can also check for hardware problem using the built-in recovery assistant. So here you have to press and release the volume up button once, then volume down button, and press and hold the side button until you see the loading recovery option screen appears. So now you just have to wait for the recovery screen appears. So now from this page, you just have to choose Recovery Assistant or Diagnostics. I go for Recovery Assistant. Now tap Continue and connect your phone to Wi-Fi and then wait for the diagnostic result. If it detects a hardware issue here with your camera, you will need to contact with Apple support for a repair. So now you just have to restart your iPhone from here. And then if you want to contact with Apple support, just open up your App Store and here search for Apple support. So when it's installed, just open it up, then choose your iPhone first. Then from the topic, choose camera and then contact with Apple support by book a reservation or contact with in chat. So after trying all of this process, hopefully your problem will be fixed. Thanks for your time.